In this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but it doesn't really matter what browser you use. What you want to do is come across to google.com. What you want to do is Google search for Adobe Acrobat download. So just type that into the search box here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is look for the Adobe website. So you can see the top one is PDF Suite, which is not Adobe. But if you scroll down a bit, you can see this one, getadobe.com/reader. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, you're going to see a blue download button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download the installer onto your PC. Now once it's downloaded, what you can do is click to run the installer, and then all you need to do is just basically run through these steps to install Adobe Acrobat Reader onto your PC. So you can see it's currently downloading and installing. Just takes a minute or two to do this. As you can see, the installation has now complete, so at this point just click the blue finish button, and what it's going to do is launch Adobe Acrobat on your PC. So what you can do is sign in if you do have an account, and it's going to come up with a pop-up like this asking if you want to basically make Acrobat Reader your default application to open PDFs. So if you want to do that, click yes, and then what you can do is select it from the window that comes up and just click set default. And once you've done that, as you can see, we've got an example PDF here. So if I double click this, what it's going to do is open this up, and this is a PDF, just an example one that you can start using the tools with. It's going to take you through a quick guide on how to use PDF and where all the different tools are and things like that. But of course you can come back to home and click open file, and you can start working with a PDF straight away. So that is how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.